Welcome guys. So today's video I'll be revealing an ultra fast unrestricted image generation model. As we all know, there are various image generation models out there. We have Gemini, we have Flux, we have ChatGPT can generate images, Grok can even generate images. But these image generation models, they have limitation, right? They have limitation to what you can generate. There are a lot of censorship there, and they are not fast. Especially ChatGPT, you can generate image and wait for several seconds, up to a minute, even before the image finishes generating. Sometimes it will not be what you want to do. As somebody who makes AI videos every day, we will have a course. I like my images to be generated really fast, right? You can see we have a full-fledged image AI video making course with over 55 videos inside currently now, right? So this teaches you monetization, how you can earn money with AI content, and how to build your AI influencer video agent, using various video agents to build your videos really fast. You don't have to manually do it, and how to do your AI models, build AI models, and earn on these various platforms like All Access Fans, Fans, and the rest of them, right? So let's jump right into the tutorial. I do lots of image generation. I want my images to be generated really fast. If this is the first time you're watching my video, my name is Fidelis. I'm a blogger and entrepreneur. I built the Learn with Fidelis platform to help you learn AI and blogging. Well, most people know me as the CEO of Uploaded. So, but that aside, what we are focusing on is AI video making. How to make AI videos for brands, for yourself, for content to earn on social media, and for fun. So it depends on what you are focusing on. For me, I make AI videos for brands, I make AI videos for content, and I make AI video for personal brand positioning. People see me as somebody who's an expert around AI. I get quality gigs and the rest. So this platform I'll be showing you is Z Image Turbo. Z Image Turbo. This platform lets you generate images fast. Most generating platform will not give you these images because they will censor it and say, this is Cristiano Ronaldo, this is Messi, right? So you can see my prompt. I said Ronaldo and Messi eating eba and with soup with bare hand. I believe my typo here. I would have expanded this prompt using an LLM, actually like ChatGPT, to help me understand the prompt and give it well. But however, look, it pointed out eating eba, right? So this platform just came out like a few days ago, and it is blowing up wild. I thought to show it to you guys to tell you the power of Z Image Turbo and what you can do with it. This is just a pseudonym. It might not be the name it would be out with. When new models come out, they give it a name, right? Like when Gemini 3 or 2.5 Image Pro came out, now Gemini 3, they named it Nano Banana, and from there they just have to call it Nano Banana Pro, right? So this might not be the name, but however, I'll show you how to access it now and how to generate images. We'll even do some test images within this. I have a long list of prompts here, so we'll generate a few, right? And I'll show you how to generate it. With this, you can generate images like ultra fast. You can see it, ultra fast image generation, right? So it's good to generate images, and there are more updates coming in. So when the update comes in, or it's available on a platform that you can use, add yourself inside, I'll let you know. So this is very important for you to get our AI video maker course. There's a whole lot of things to learn. As you can see, some are locked here. It means you are getting if you get the basic, there are lots of locked videos, only 12 open. If you get the light, there are still lots of locked videos, only 18 lessons are open. But if you get the full, you get access to all the videos and even new ones. You can see there's Facebook monetization guide here. You can use your real voice in AI videos. You can get Google AI Pro 12 months for completely free. You can make longer AI singing videos. Lots and lots of tutorials you can do. YouTube monetization guide. You can even use video agents to access View 3 unlimited without subscription. There are lots of videos making longer videos. You can see it here. You can also setting up your surreal account, detailed watermark remover, and lots of more. Even unlimited narration style video. You know those narration style? It is available inside the course. There will be a link in the description of this video. Follow the link, take the course, and I'll see you inside. So let's start generating images. So the simple thing here is you put your prompt. I'm putting your prompt. Let's even reload the page. Okay, this is what you will see. The link to this platform will be in the description of this video too, or on our website where you get access to unlimited dead image turbo generation. So make sure you follow the exact link given so you don't visit random website and get your device penetrated. So now I put this. You can play with the settings. If you want the resolution, you can see. If you want portrait, here is 1920, here is 1080. If you want landscape, here is 1080, here is 1920, right? So, but I need square images in this generation. I'll be doing. Leave everything as is. Then you click on generate. You can see how fast it is in generating images. You don't have to wait or waste any time. And to download it, you click on this download icon. It provides the image as WebP, which is one of the best formats for saving resources. You don't have to be downloading big size PNG of 2 MB, 8 MB, but with WebP you get same quality but lesser size. So this platform is really doing lots of optimization. So let's do one with Cristiano Ronaldo sitting on a plastic chair in Lagos. Let's see what it gets us. Ooh, you can see Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi sitting on a plastic chair, and it is super fast. I'll show you how to generate images like this and even more, especially when you get into our AI video maker course. We teach various AI video making tactics, various platforms every single day. New videos drop every week. You can see generate image stunningly fast. An old man pounded yama motor blah blah blah. Let's see what it gets us. You can see if I'm working on a project now, I'm working really fast because the images are being generated under 8 seconds. You can see these images are generated under 8 seconds, and it depends on the prompt you give it. A woman at Malobu Market scanning Wi-Fi blah blah blah. Let's see. So there are more. We have lots and lots of tutorials. I can't go into details. You can do so much with our AI video maker course. You can see using a hologram scanning screen to sell in the market, right? So there are lots and lots of videos you can do inside our AI video maker course. You can see our AI video maker course. There are lots and lots of videos. You can do singing video. This is an example of singing video. Yeah. Oh no. Fidelis on the mind. This one for my queen. XO my love. You can do music videos like this. You can do those who are religious. You can do videos.
If God kept you from January till now,
longer videos, not those 8 seconds videos that you see all around. So if you are really interested in setting up a stand for yourself,
I just got my promotion.
Hallelujah!
So if you are looking, you can do a biography where you build.
There are some things that change the way he heard a promise. Not just motion, desk meals, worked odd jobs. And the day he put on his first battered night, they were his comfort and his pain.
Friends told me to grow up. find something serious, they say.
This is a real
But how do you
person
give up the
we
rhythm
built
of your
to
own
speak
heartbeat?
into
One long winter
his
evening,
video
he sat
biography.
and
This is the
sketched.
younger
A
version of
thought
himself.
born
A Nike ad promotion. You can do kids cartoon singing video. I'll show you how to make your own AI song. You can do AI ads. You can do the popular cat
Fidelis on this one.
meow song, and even have your song as the background. That way you sell yourself. You can do narration
Kim
style.
Jong-un never travels anywhere without his personal toilet.
You can build your AI influencer.
Okay, let me clear this up real quick. There's a difference between the...
That's it. There are lots of videos you can do. These are just samples, and we have so many videos we have done in the past for people.
Mama Chinedu, you know the way you give me. My mama don't collect her say who wants save her.
Is your mother at home?
Mommy, that beggy auntie don't come again.
So there are lots of videos you can do, and you can even start making money with AI with our monetization guides that will show you how to get various platforms. You can earn on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook posting these AI videos every day. So that will be all for this tutorial. I want you to get the AI video maker course. There will be a link in the description of this video. Get it, take that step today, get it, and start making AI videos. Make perfect lip sync videos. Use your real voice, generate your identical tune, scale your images, and get all the various monetization strategies. Okay, you can clone voice with emotions, like a voice that cries in video. You can clone everything inside our AI video maker course, and it is completely with free tools. You are not paying a dime using these tools, just like you're not paying a dime to make this fast generation. We have lots of tools, not tools on Hugging Face, so you don't get it. So there are lots of tools in various platforms. We test AI tools every day, hundreds of AI tools every day, and we'll get the best of them across to you. That is to say, we do the heavy duty, we do the heavy lifting, and we'll bring it to you. At the type that like to use AI tool or various AI tool, we have the portal of Fidelis, where you can discover up to 2,251 AI tools and use them. Okay, we have lots of them. Okay, and use them effectively without any stress. Right? If you also looking for image prompts, you can come to prompt. You can see to generate similar image like this with yours. You have one of the best settings for you to choose from and get your prompt, also for male, female, and the rest. So that will be all for this tutorial. I'm Fidelis. I'll catch you in my next tutorial. And if you get into our AI video maker course, you meet me in our WhatsApp group where we share and do lots of videos. You see other people motivating you to get up and make your AI videos. Catch you guys on the next. Bye.